Hello guys, it's Deepak here from the Rural Living Gardener. Hope you guys are doing good. It's early May. Outside it is 28 degrees, believe it or not. And obviously with British weather, I don't think it's going to last, but I think we are free from frost, especially in the evenings and early hours of the morning. And the old girl, she tells me to fix up and start repotting these into the individual containers outdoors because there's literally no space in the conservatory, and I must say I agree with her. So I'm going to repot some of these outdoors. I'll keep a few indoors just in case as backup, in case we get a frost. This side is the same. Here are these chilies. This is from Jason, Allotment of the Dead, looking great. And we have Ali's ones here. These are Ali's chilies. They've exploded into life. So you know what, enough chatting, let's repot these guys. Right, guys, so this bucket here had chilies last year, and what I did was I basically cut the tops off just above the soil, and I just left it there for the roots to rot. So now look, let me just show you. It's free compost, guys. Yeah, this just goes in the compost heap, and the rest is used as pure rich black gold to grow chilies. Absolutely amazing. There's another one there. And I'll top it up with more compost. Let me show you the overwintered chilies that were indoors since late autumn last year. You can see a chili there. Yeah, it's pot bound, so what I'm going to do, it's the right time, I'm going to separate these and pop them here in this bucket. So let's get the job done, guys. The root system here, pretty good. Lovely flowers. It just comes off effortlessly like butter. 1, 2, 3, 4 plants. I'll pop 4 into one container. So that's done. Yeah, pretty much everything is done. Let me show you what I need to do. I just need to top it up with a little bit of compost, maybe a centimeter or 2, and give it a nice little water. Okay, guys, job has been done. Chilies have been planted. Just to give you a heads up, this one is from the seeds came from Jason from the allotment of the dead. These ones over there, that's Mr. Richards, pot 3 and 4. These ones are Mr. Richards again, Scotch bonnet. Can't wait to see the fruits on those. This is Mad Mix, mix of spaghetti and long hot red chilies. Mr. Richards again. That one is from Ali. Thank you, Ali. This one is Mad Mix. And here, these are the overwintered chilies from last year that we kept indoors in the conservatory. And this one is, yes, Rusty. Ali. Here we go, guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the park at some point and I'm going to collect some dried grass and I'm going to place them on top, which helps with the moisture. I'll probably crack on with that tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got plenty of other chilies I need to repot. I'll be giving some away to friends and family, and yeah, this garden will be full of hot plants. I mean, some of the plants right now are starting to wilt, but that's because we've transplanted them on to um, alternative containers. But once we give them a water, by tomorrow they'll be perking up very, very nicely indeed. So, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my videos. Stay safe.